Why does your scanner show the P0032 engine code? What does it mean? P0032HH02 S heater control circuit. High, bank 1, sensor 1. The P0032 engine code indicates that the PCM or ECM detected voltage higher than normal in the heater circuit for the upstream oxygen sensor on the side of the engine containing cylinder 1. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor, damaged wiring, short to voltage, loose connector, faulty PCM or ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chrysler, Dodge, Toyota, and Jeep. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.